The tale unfolds with Tang Lung, a young martial artist hailing from Hong Kong, arriving in Rome to take his uncle's place, who is unable to make the journey due to illness. Upon his arrival at the airport, he is greeted by Chen Qinghua, a woman assigned to welcome him. Initially, she harbors doubts about Tang Lung's capability to assist her, yet he reassures her with a calm and confident demeanor. As they travel together, Chen reveals the dire situation plaguing her family. The Chinese restaurant left to her by her late father has come under the oppressive eye of a ruthless mafia boss. His henchmen relentlessly harass the staff, pressuring her to sell the establishment. Efforts to involve the police have proven futile, leaving them in a state of desperation. Soon after, Tang Lung visits the restaurant, where he meets Uncle Wang and the rest of the staff. He observes that, in their attempts to defend themselves against the ongoing harassment, the workers have been trying to learn karate. However, their uncertainty about Tang Lung lingers. His quiet humility and modest claim of knowing only a little Chinese boxing do little to inspire confidence. Their doubts are further compounded when a group of thugs storms into the restaurant once more, delivering an ultimatum: if the restaurant is not sold by that evening, they will destroy it. In the midst of the chaos, Tang Lung discreetly excuses himself to the bathroom, avoiding attention. That evening, the gang returns with the intent to intimidate. The staff, emboldened by their earlier resolve, decide to confront the thugs in the back alley. Their courage is short-lived, as one of their own is swiftly knocked out in the ensuing scuffle. Just as despair begins to settle over them, Tang Lung steps forward. For the first time, he reveals his martial arts prowess, showcasing refined Chinese kung fu skills that leave everyone in awe. In mere moments, he dismantles the attackers with remarkable precision and speed, transforming the perception of those who once doubted him into that of a protector. However, Uncle Wang cautions that the thugs will undoubtedly return, this time with greater force. The following morning, Tang Lung prepares for the impending confrontation by skillfully carving wooden darts, demonstrating his resourcefulness. At the restaurant, he gives the staff a glimpse of his striking power, impressing them with his accuracy. Although they are soon called back to their duties, Tang Lung remains vigilant, standing guard throughout the day and waiting for the next threat. That night, a lone thug infiltrates their space, brandishing a gun. In an instant, Tang Lung reacts with lightning speed, disarming him with a precisely thrown wooden dart and subduing him effortlessly. The staff begins to realize that they have a fighter unlike any they have ever encountered on their side. Infuriated by their repeated failures, the Mafia escalates their tactics. The next day, they storm into the restaurant armed with firearms, demanding to know Tang Lung's whereabouts. At that moment, Tang Lung and Chen enter and are immediately confronted at gunpoint. The gang attempts to escort Tang Lung out of the country, but he seizes his opportunity. With breathtaking agility, he disarms them and unleashes his skills with dual nunchaku, decimating the group in a stunning display of martial prowess.
Go get him, but no gun! Get him! Get him!
As Tang Lung stealthily re-enters the restaurant, with deft precision, he hurls his wooden darts, disarming the assailants and creating a crucial opening for his comrades to fight back. United in their resolve, they push back against their attackers, reclaiming their space. After the skirmish, Tang Lung delivers a chilling warning to the thugs: if they dare to return, they will not leave alive. That night, Uncle Wang receives a menacing letter threatening Tang Lung's life if he does not depart by Chinese New Year. Anxiety ripples through the staff, and Chen implores Tang Lung to return to Hong Kong before it's too late. Yet, steadfast in his commitment to protect them, Tang Lung remains resolute. Not long after, a sniper attempts to take his life. Tang Lung pursues the shooter across the rooftops, but the assailant ultimately escapes into the shadows of the night. Upon returning home, Tang Lung learns that Chen has been kidnapped and is being coerced into signing away the restaurant. Even under immense pressure, she stands firm in her refusal to comply. Determined to rescue her, Tang Lung leads the group to the Mafia's headquarters. Their daring mission is successful, and they free Chen, but this victory only fuels the rage of the Mafia boss's lieutenant. In retaliation, he hires 3 of the world's top martial artists to eliminate Tang Lung. Meanwhile, as the restaurant family prepares to celebrate Chinese New Year, Tang Lung receives a letter summoning him back to Hong Kong. However, he vows to stay until their troubles are resolved once and for all. The following morning, Tang Lung and the staff are lured into a false sense of security, believing the Mafia boss wishes to negotiate a truce. Instead, they find themselves ambushed at a secluded location.
You, Tang Lung.
While the staff continues to fend off their attackers, a shocking betrayal unfolds. Uncle Wang, once a trusted ally, reveals his true intentions. He stabs his fellow workers and confesses that he always planned to sell the restaurant for personal gain and return to Hong Kong wealthy. Meanwhile, Tang Lung is drawn into the Roman Coliseum for an ultimate showdown against Colt, a world-renowned karate fighter. Tang Lung ends the fight by locking Colt in a guillotine choke, tragically snapping his neck. Out of respect for his fallen opponent, Tang Lung gently covers Colt's body. Upon returning from this harrowing encounter, Tang Lung confronts the Mafia lieutenant. Uncle Wang feigns injury in an attempt to lure Tang Lung into a vulnerable position for an ambush. Just as the trap is sprung, the Mafia boss intervenes unexpectedly. Instead of siding with Wang, he shoots both the treacherous lieutenant and Wang himself, eliminating them instantly. Turning his weapon on Tang Lung next, the boss is interrupted by the arrival of the police alongside Chen. They arrest him, bringing an end to the long-standing conflict and allowing peace to return to their lives. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more recaps. Until next time, have a wonderful day.